Hey, Mr. G here, and we're going to be going over the B minor open scale. And this is what it looks like and sounds like. So first thing, we're going to go on that second fret of the fifth string with our index finger and play that B. And then on the fourth fret with the ring finger, we'll play that C sharp. Then we'll go to that fourth string or the D string and play that open D. Then on the D string with the index finger on the second fret, we'll play that E. Then on the fourth fret with the ring finger, we'll play that F sharp. Then we'll go to the third string or the G string and play that open. Then on the third string, second fret, with the index finger, we'll play that A. Then on the second string, we'll play that open B. Then on the second string with the index finger, we'll play that C sharp there on the second fret. Then on the second string on the third fret, with the middle finger, we'll play that D. Then the first string, we'll play that open E. Then on the first string with the index finger, we'll play that F sharp on the second fret. Then on the first string with the middle finger, we'll play that G. Then in the first string on the fifth fret with the little finger, we'll play that A. Then we'll slide up that little finger on the first string, seventh fret, and play that B. When you put it all together, it sounds like this. Again, that's your B minor open scale. Hope you enjoy the video. Keep on jamming.